Tokyo Man here, recording while I'm heading to work to go pick up my tax refund paper. It's my day off. I'm still on holiday, so it kind of sucks to have to go to work today, but apparently the deadline to submit it is Tuesday, and I need my wife's help to fill it up, so kind of no choice. That being said though, using the bike to go and do that makes it sort of worth it. It's Sunday today. Pretty nice day. It's very warm. And being a Sunday and a long weekend, it's actually kind of quiet on the streets. Porsche Cayenne hybrid, nice. Yeah, not a whole lot going on nowadays. So I had 2.5 weeks off. Spent half of that time feeling pretty stressed. I was driving my car to pick up my wife at work, and I sort of got T-boned by an old guy on a scooter, and in a story, it's 100% his fault, and all the repairs on my car will be covered by his insurance. But all that is due to having a dash cam handy, man. That one totally saved my ass, because that guy, the old guy, was lying through his teeth to cover his ass. But had dash cam footage, which sort of revealed all the guy's lies, and ended up being 100% his fault. So dash cam, guys, it's totally worth it, either on a bike or on a car. Now in this day and age where you can't really trust people, to be honest, and can't really trust the cops either, the only thing that can prove your innocence is the hard evidence from a dash cam. So now I'm thinking, besides the GoPro on my helmet, I want to get a proper dash cam set up on my bike. Just A, I need money for that, and B, I still don't know where I could install that on the Fat Boy, but I will figure it out somehow, hopefully sooner rather than later. But yeah, sounds kind of embarrassing. Like I was doing a right turn, I had right of way, my turning arrow green light was on, and he decided as I was turning to ride his scooter across the street. So he was riding on the crosswalk and then hit me right in the door. And oh shit, that did some pretty significant damage to my car. So according to BMW, 500,000 yen worth. So anyway, glad I don't have to pay for that. But it's been mostly hard on my wife, so she is the one who had to deal with the police and the insurance and stuff, because my Japanese is crap. But anyway, yeah, that's my little accident story. I'd like to include the footage of the accident on the YouTube video, but I'm not sure if I can do it. But anyways, it was not fun. So yeah, ride safe, guys, and Dash cams are your friend, that's for sure. Besides that, yeah, not much going on. Back at work on Tuesday. The virus situation still kind of sucks. Still, we're better off here in Japan than Canada or US or you know, parts of Europe or whatever. But daily confirmed cases is rising in Tokyo. I think the other day was like 500 something case, so it was kind of a record, I think. But still sort of business as usual, and the economy was, you know, it's not hit as hard as you know, Canada or US, but we are feeling it. Where I work, yeah, we're not as busy. We're taking measures, you know, to protect ourselves and the members I work for, and because of that our sales and stuff are much lower than usual, and because of that, you know, they use that as an excuse to not pay out any bonuses this year. Nothing at all. No staff party, no bonus, kind of nothing. Sucks. The bonus thing we get, you know, really helps, but at the same time I can't complain much because I still get a monthly salary, you know, still have a job, so could be worse. My wife doesn't get a bonus either. It's hard everywhere, but we're still have a job and still working, so could be worse, eh? So I can't complain, I suppose. I just have to find some creative ways to make the extra cash to compensate for the lack of a bonus. So that being said, if you guys you know, like my videos and could subscribe to my channel and support me, that would help, so I could get this channel finally monetized. That would be great. I'm not the kind of guy to set up the Patreon and beg for money and this and that and being supported by, you know, subscribers or whatnot, but at least if you're watching the video and subscribing, you know, that's all I'm asking. It'd be appreciated. And I'll try to do some, you know, some more content. I always say that, actually, most of my videos, but I mean it. I try. The video editing thing is still kind of iffy. I'm trying. I'm not the most computer inclined person in the world, so gotta bear with me on that one, guys. But if I can provide you guys with some you know, some entertaining content and useful reviews and impressions and opinions, then it's all good. Check if I'm still recording. I don't think I have that much juice in my GoPro. Those things don't last very long. Another reason why I need a dash cam, like you know, hardwired into the bike, so when the bike runs, it runs and it never runs out of juice. Especially useful on longer trips. Popo, what's going on? Just patrolling. That's a pretty fine day for sure. Kind of rare I ride at this time of the day. Usually I ride when everybody's still asleep, freezing my ass off and the sun's not out yet. So this is kind of a nice change. No complaints there. Now the question is, will there be space to park my bike this time? Usually when I ride to work, I'm kind of the first to get there. This time of the day, bike parking for staff gets pretty full, so we'll see. If not, I'll just I don't know, park illegally somewhere. Won't be there long anyways. Just picking up a paper and go. So we're in Azerbaijan area. Kind of a fancy, expensive place. Get to see a lot of nice cars around here. Here in Tokyo, like I own a BMW, and a BMW in Tokyo is the equivalent, I would say, to maybe a Toyota Camry in Canada. Yeah, kind of everybody has one, and it's not like very expensive car for Tokyo standards. Point proven. Here's a Bentley SUV there. It's pretty nice, all black too, eh? Cool. Stupid thing, because of the Russian embassy, they closed the left turn merging thing because of the Russian embassy. Like kind of every day they do that, except like nighttime, early morning. It's kind of silly. It'd be easy to go in. Cops everywhere. It's kind of messy. Not a big fan.